Hi and welcome back to the Upgrowth YouTube channel. So, if you're creating healthcare content, blogs, landing pages, social media, emails, and you haven't thought seriously about YMYL compliance, this video is going to change how you look at your content budget. YMYL, by the way, stands for Your Money, Your Life. It's Google's classification for content that could directly impact someone's health or financial well being. Healthcare content sits right at the top of that list, and the regulatory and SEO penalties for getting it wrong are significant. Now let's run the numbers. Now, as we scroll a bit below, you can see the calculator dashboard. Now, there are five inputs, pretty straightforward but very specific. Let's say monthly content pieces have generated is 20. The compliance review cost, what you are currently spending to review each content piece. Let's say 5,000. Current approval rate, what percentage of your content passes compliance review on the first attempt? Let's say 75%. Penalty risk per volume, penalty risk per violation. Now the financial exposure per non-compliant piece, let's say 10,000. Team size, 4 to 5, let's say. And content type, let's say. I'll go with blog articles. Now, once all the details are filled, I click on calculate compliance impact. Now, Now there are four outputs. Number one, 12-month compliance cost, which comes out to be 12 lakh. Now that's your total spend on compliance review only across the year. Penalty risk exposure, 8.4 lakh. Now that's the financial exposure sitting in your non-compliant content right now. Compliant content pieces, 156. Now in healthcare, it's not a financial risk, it's a brand trust risk as well. Then the 45% risk adjusted ratio. That's your actual content ROI when you factor in the compliance cost and penalty exposure. This is not the vanity ROI your content dashboard shows. It's the real number table. This is the most useful part of the entire simulator. Current state versus optimized. Now it is gives you the current state monthly cost 1 lakh, and when you optimize it 80,000. Then the non-compliant rate. Now you can see the compliance rate. Current state 35% and optimized 26%. Then the annual penalty risk 8 lakh 40,000 and then 3 lakh 6,000. So you can see a drastic difference here, right? Now this the cumulative cost chart shows you how the gap between current and optimized state widens over 12 months. Month 1 the difference is small, you can see, and then by month 12 it is significant, right? Now this is why the simulator says act now. The compounding cost of staying at 25% non-compliance rate grows every month you delay fixing it. Now this is all about this simulator. You can also find four related simulators here, so do check these out. These are all of healthcare sectors. So if you are running marketing across a healthcare organization, these four together gives you a complete picture of your growth economics and risk exposure, all linked in the description, or either you can check it in the same uh, simulator page. So the takeaway from this one, a 2.4 lakh in annual penalty exposure on a 20 piece per month content calendar is not a small number, and that's before you factor in the SEO implications of Google downranking non-compliant YMYL content. Run this simulator with your own numbers. If your risk adjusted ROI comes back below 20%, that's your signal that compliance investment is overdue. Link in the description. Subscribe and see you in the next one.